video. As I have already made this video in couple of languages more, you can go and check out that, as this video is going to be in English language. So please stay with us to the whole video to get to know about what is it. As many of the people are using WhatsApp for their business purpose, for their personal use and everything, but this is going for the businessman. Those who are using a WhatsApp business has the one of the best benefits is going to be over here. So stay till the end of this video. So let's go and start the video. As you can see, I have already logged in my WhatsApp over here in a Microsoft at WhatsApp web. So as you will more curious about the things that you can see on this portals, like you can see some of the tabs over here, what is it, the different styles and everything. So what is it? So let me explain what is it. It's just a software that you have to install and you can work easily on this. This is for the business purpose use, and those who are doing business and using a business WhatsApp has more benefit because of this thing. So let's go. I will start with the tab sections. First of all, you can see here is the all. So this is for the all chats what are here, and after that you can see the unread section. So it's just an unread, those the message that you haven't read yet, you will find out over here. Then one to one, it means a one on single chat without groups. Then you have also a group tab in which you can see all your groups. Then awaiting reply, it means the person who have messaged you and you already seen their messages, so it will show up over here, the awaiting reply. Then business, how many persons are using a WhatsApp business account, those you will see over here. Then officials, the persons you are using the official WhatsApp account, the normal application, which will appear over here. So let's find out how these tabs are generated. So for that you just have to visit in the second bar over here on the tab sections. Visit over here, you will see all the tabs one by one, as this all are the visible tabs. It means you can view these tabs, but you can see a demo tab over here in which you can view, you can edit, and you can also delete. As I have made this tab for myself and for the demonstration of this video. So this all are the default tabs up to over here, and you can add as much as tab you want. So simply you just have to click on the add tab. You have to name of that tab, as I'm going to a demo 1. After that, what type of chat, what type of content, what type of context do you want to involve in this one? So just select that things, like you can select from the chats, you can select groups, you can select from the label as well, and everything. You just simply have to select and save. So you can see here demo 1, the tab is already added, and you can also see over here at the top bar section the demo 1 tab is also added. So it is simply, you can, if you want to wish to remove the tab, you can also delete the tab, and yes, the demo tab is already removed now. So simply you can add and remove tab from the tab sections. Now let's talk about the messages. So broadcasting, there are different types of messages that a business person can do. A message or to a group message or labels, like if you want to send your message one-on-one, then you can also select context from over here, one-on-one. If you want to send this message in a group, then you can also select the group sections or labels what you have created or the tabs from. So let's do the first one-on-one. If you have already the number, you can directly type down the number. If you don't, then you can also upload the numbers. Likewise, if you want to upload the number, you can also select the CSV files, Excel and text file. So let's upload. I have already a Excel file over here, name as a book 1. In this one there is one number. These are the values of that. So I have already added one number in that Excel file. So after that, I'm going to click on the next section. You can see there is one number demo for you, a happy birthday and the amount, and you just have to start uploading that number. You already uploaded the number. After that, if you want to select the number from the different sections, such as from your WhatsApp contacts, from the your group contacts, from the tabs or from the labels, you can also select from as in the group. You can also select a particular group, you can save, so the contacts of that particular group will be appear over here just in the same. So I'm going to demonstrate on these things first. So what is it? So after putting down the number over here, like wise this, okay, as don't forget to mention the country code, as it is very necessary to mention. After uploading a contact number over here, just you just have to simply go on the message tab. In the message tab, you can select message if you want to do just a message. You can also select message plus image or video or document file or contact or button podcast, whatever. I'm going to do a message first. So for the message, I'm going to type hello, how are you, just in short. So we can also catch up the many more things. So after typing this message, you have to set down a minimum and maximum seconds in how much seconds the message should be delivered. You can also select over here as like you can, if you go below 3, it will says below 3 seconds the lead of the account will be banned. So you can't go below 3. A minimum is 3. So I'm going to put down here 4 because there is only one number. I will suggest if you have more than 50 numbers, you can put down minimum of 20 to 25 seconds gap in these things. Okay, after sending this, start a preview. You will see how are you. The first thing will not, because it's a number and just a heading, so it says invalid. The second one is a number, so it will says valid. After that, you just have to click on the next, start sending. It says in queue and start sending, I understand, and please proceed. It will says it will take me 3 seconds and it's already sent. Okay, so let's check out whether the numbers gotten sent or not. So this is it. I'm going to open this as I have mentioned, hello HRU at 12:18. What is the time? So I've received this message. So this is it. You can also do the same thing in your groups, labels, tab sections, and many more, just like that. Now, if you have a variables type more than, like if you have a selected content for every messages, then you can also do that separately. But for that, simply you just have to upload the file over here like an Excel. You can see FN first name, Alan second name value 2, MSG value 3 is means message, and AMT it's an amount value 4. I have just uploaded this thing over here. Okay, so you can see over here, you will see the things. Now you just have to type a message like hi dear. Okay, then you have to select the variables, the first name, okay, space, now variable 2 the last name, space, variable 3 the message, and space, variable 4 the amount. What is it? You can write also down the RTHYCON country. Okay, birthday contribution, I have just write it down short, so you can also write it down whatever you want to do. So on this number the message will go like this, like you will show you the file. First of all, it's open. So the number, this will not count it. So fn is the variable 1 in which the demo will be appear. Then ln is the variable 2 for you. Then variable 3 it's message, so happy birthday, and variable 4 is the amount. So in this way you will also see the message over there. So I have already selected. Again the same thing, minimum and maximum, and you just have to start a preview. and next and send. I understand. Just wait for a few seconds, and once it says it's sent, let's go and check out. Like you can see over here, hi dear, demo was the first, for you was the second, happy birthday was the third, and 500 was the fourth birthday contribution. Whatever you want to write it down, you can write it down just as simple as it is. Okay, this is thing, it will work out like this. So this is about the message or broadcasting. You can say save over here more than one number, and you can just broadcast this like this. After that, the tab sections you have already seen. Now it's template. What is the mean of template? You can see over here in the broadcast section, select templates. You can also select and save. So whatever I have wrote it down in the template section, it will appear over here, so I don't have to write it down again and again. So for that, I just have to go on the template section and add a template. First, I have to give a name to a template. So I'm going to write it down here, test, and then in which section I have to forward it. So one-on-one, groups, tabs, or label. You just have to select like the personalized value should be a 1 or 2 or many as more, how many you want to want. The things, what message you want to write it down. So I will write hello, good morning. Okay, and after that I just have to save this templates. As you can see over here, test one-on-one message has been saved. I can also make a clone. It means I can also copy this content, I can also edit this one, and if I don't want, then I can also delete this one just like this. I can, if I don't want this one, can also delete this one from over here. Just in like we will see the demonstration, like select templates, a test one, what I have wrote it down, hello good morning. Likewise that I don't have to type every single time. I can also save the messages over here, and I can already select from that. After that, the workflow. What is it? Workflow, it means it will easier your work. So for that, you just have to add a workflow over here. Then you just have to name something like an demo, in which group or one-on-one contact you have to send. It's just an basis of an automated message. Automated message will be sent like this. Every incoming message, if you want to wish to send this thing, or every new chat. I'm going to select every new chat. The person who is going to message me, a new person who is not already in my contact, if he or she is going to message me, then the message will be sent automatically to him and her. Just like I'm going to select over here every new chat. Okay, after that, what message I have to write it down, I will set over here like I will see, contact you soon. As I have wrote it down over here, I will contact you soon. So the new person who is going to message me, they will receive this message, I will contact you soon. Just the same thing, minimum and maximum of the seconds. And if you want to select, just like an chatbot, an AI system, that a person want information, so you can also set just like that way. So for that, you can select this one, selected keywords. What do you want to select a keyword? Like say I will set it demo. Okay, demo is my keyword, and whole word matches. So the person who is going to message you just only demo, or the message, the whole message in which he or she includes a demo word, just like that. So I'm going to select this one. After that, what message the person will receive in the demo. If the person is going to message me demo, then I have to send him, I will provide you soon. So the person will receive this message. If in case the person will message me demo, or just like I want your demo or everything, same minimum and maximum, whatever you want to settle on. If a person wants an advanced setting in this one, if a new person message, and the automated AI. This is known as an automated AI or a chatbot who is talking instead of you with the client. If you wish a new person who message you and you want to go with the person, or you want to settle down that contact in some of your tabs or whatever, then you can also go to the advanced settings. So advanced setting is just like you have to scroll down and come over here, customize tab actions. Customize tab actions means you can also add that contact into the tabs whatever you have made, or you can also remove that from the tabs. Same as with the group sections and same as with the label sections. So this is it. After these things you can just simply save this. So after saving, if a new person is going to message you, then he or she will receive any message whatever you have set. After that you will see a scheduled broadcast. Scheduled broadcast, it means a particular message which will be sent at a particular time. So for that you can simply have to add a scheduled broadcast from over here. You just have to name that broadcast as in the test, in which session you have to message them. One-on-one, groups, tabs, or label. As I'm going to select one-on-one, and I'm going to upload a contact as it is same like this. I've uploaded. In next, after next, what message I have to send them? So I will type it down over here. Hello, good morning, how are you? Simple. Okay. Oh, is missing. Okay, now is it done? Hello, good morning, how are you? Just like that. And simply next, the time intervals as is the same what you have seen. The group action, custom tab action, as it's the same you have already seen over there. Now this is the schedule time. You just have to send it once or on the repeated basis. So once, if you want to send it immediately, then just select immediately, and next, if you want to schedule a particular time, you can also select a particular time over here. And if you want to compose it, you can also compose that over here. And if you wish to send it on the repeated basis, then you have to select over here, then start schedule date and time. It means on what time this message should be start, a particular date and a particular time as well. Okay, then repeatedly types. You want to repeat this message minute, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, whatever you want to wish. If you have selected daily like this, then daily time, at what time the message should be received by the opposite person. Repeated on a particular date, it means if you wish to repeat just only few days in a week, just like this, so select the particular days and on what day you have to send this message. Likewise, if you wish to complete it on what a particular day, if you want to select a particular date to complete this, then you can also select from here the future time, on what time the message should be not delivered and completed this. And also you can select the numbers of time repetition. It means how many times this message should be delivered into that contact or into that number what you have selected. So if I wish to repeat this thing 30 times, so I will select over here 30. So daily for the 30 days, means daily for the month, the person will receive the message immediately. So this is the thing. After this I just have to select next, a particular repeated date. Okay, selected now. Then next, after this we just have to select hold on needs to the confirmations and immediate start. That's it. It says scheduling. So from this I can also see the histories over here, on what date the message will be go, on what time, and everything just like that. As it says completed, so the history has been completed. The text file, CVS or Excel file, whatever you have to download, you can also clone this, or if you wish to delete, you can also delete it just like this. I'm also going to delete this one to show you it can be deleted if the section is not completed, but still you can delete that section as well. So this is for the whole groups or more than one number. The same thing as it is to schedule for a particular number in this one. If you wish to give or send a message to a particular person every day, every minute, every hour, you can go in this section and you can follow the same process what I have shown. After that it says notes. So what is it? You can also add a note, a particular person. What, just like if a person is talking to you on a particular things, and if you add a note or if you make a note on that things, then you can write the topic name what you want to give the name of that note. After that, add a note. For which person you have to add a note, you can simply select the number from here, and what you have to write it down in the note, you can also type it down over here and just simply save it. After that, you will see a reminder. It means if you want to send a particular message to a particular person, you can also select over here. It's just in case if you forgot something, if you want a reminder that on this time I have to do these things or I have to talk with this person or whatever, blah blah blah, you can also select from here just date and time. On what time do you want the reminder for the topic, means the person, the topic, it means for what purpose you have to remind these things, and the details of that, and just save that. After that, we also have the CRM. It means you can also manage the contacts, everything from inside of it. So as I'm going to select this thing, I'm going to show, I'm going to see CRM next to my contact. I can also edit my profile over here. I can also add myself into some tab sections and also remove from there, just like this. Did it, so I can also remove. It says now 2. If I wish to add, then I can select add me. It says now 3. You can schedule a particular message, a particular note, or a reminder for this particular person as well, just like in this. After that, we have some other tools as well, just in case. For it, you can see over here in the tool section, it says blur settings. So in the blur settings, you can see, or you can blur my messages or contacts, like blur messages or contacts, just blur display profile or blur conversations and everything, just like that. You can also do that from here. After that, WhatsApp link generation. If you want to send a link to a particular person, then just write down the number, just like, and whatever message you want to see, type and just create link. You can also send this link, or you can also share this QR code with the person. Utilization, show only the profile chat icon. It means like this. If you selected this, then you will just only see the profile icons, no more. And enable link preview. If you share some links with somebody, so the preview of that link should be enable or disable, just like that. Now the main features. Export contacts. So what is it? If you wish to export the contacts from your chat history, you can also export from here. So from contacts, it means just simply all contacts from the chat list, save contacts or unsaved contacts. Or from the groups, you can particularly select a specific groups, just like this. Whatever groups I have in my session, I can also select from over here. Then from the broadcast, whatever broadcast you have created, so if you wish to send it from over there, then you can also share the contacts from over there, from the tabs, from the labels, as it is same to same. You can download that context in the text file, Excel file, and CSV file as well. And last but not least, it's group features. If you have more than one group but the same, you can also find that group from over here, a duplicate group finder. If you wish to join the group, and if you have more than one or two links of that group, you can also paste that links over here in a bulk joining. Just paste that link, select the time, and just join. So it will join automatically one by one. If you wish to destroy a group, you can also select the group from over here, and you can also destroy. It means you can also delete that group from over here. And group clone. If you wish to be an admin of that group, then you can just simply select the group from over here and just name that group. So the contacts of that group will automatically shift to the new whatever group you have created, and you will be the admin of that group. So this is it. This is the thing that I have to show in this video. It's just basically for the business purpose and for the businessman. From this software, the work of the business person will be reduced by 90% or more than that. They will do their day-to-day work very easily or just only in the one panel. So if you like this video, so just like, share this video to the person who needs this kind of help or who is already using but not knowing how to use it, and comment if you have any doubts.